Hi guys!
Hi everyone, David Cito here from 3D Roundhouse. I'm here with Elizabeth again. And once again, we're trying to spread the word that 3D printing can be a new type of family entertainment. So Elizabeth, last time you asked me to make some accessories for your LOL dolls.
Right?
Right? So, and you said, let's make a crown. Okay, here's a crown.
And here's another one.
And I made you another one too.
Let's see if they fit.
So, do they fit?
Let me see. Oh yes, they do. Pretty good, huh? Oh yeah.
Okay, so Elizabeth, when I made this crown, I used something called an arc.
Arc.
Have you ever heard of an arc?
I think an arc is a round circle.
Okay, actually, an arc is part of a round circle. Okay? Now, here's a question. How many arcs do you see in this little crown? How many arcs?
I think I see only one.
Only one?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's give everyone the answer when they see this video. Check out this video. It'll tell you how many arcs there are in this little simple crown. Be right back. Okay, let me show you how you make this very simple crown for those LOL dolls. The tools we'll be using are under Sketch, we need this line tool. We also need this arc, the 3-point arc, as well as the center point arc. We'll also be using the mirror tool down here. Under Create, we'll be using the extrude tool in a very special way, and we'll be using the sphere as well. Let's start by grabbing ourselves an arc, a 3-point arc. Now this is to create the front part of the crown, and that part is standing up, so we're going to grab this plane here. Let's click at the 50 mark, go down to the 50 but go up one square. Here's the center point. I'm going to bend it one square diagonal. Hit enter. Under Sketch, I'm going to grab a line and draw a line straight down the middle from the 50 down to the origin. Hit enter. Now I'm going to use the mirror tool to replicate this curved line on the right side. Sketch, mirror. The first object is this curved line. The mirror line is the center line. Okay. Now I can delete the center line. From here I can use the line tool to fill out the bottom of the front part of the crown. We'll start at this first white dot, click down, and go across. Now I do want you to notice that the length of this line is 100 millimeters. I click and I close it. And I know it closed it properly because the inside has turned a beige color. Hit enter and I can stop the sketch. Next we're going to grab ourselves a sphere. And the sphere goes on the bottom plane, so we click the plane first and we're going to start at the origin. Now we want this to be slightly larger than 100, which is the length of that line. So we're going to make it 110, and hit OK. Now if you want to see the front part of the crown inside the sphere, you just have to hide the sphere. Right? You can turn it back on. Next, we want to use the extrude tool in a very special way. The profile is the inside profile here. Now instead of profile plane, we're going to use profile from the object. And the object being the sphere. So the object select is the sphere. I pull it out 5 millimeters. And I'm not going to join it to the sphere. I want to make it a new body. And I hit OK. I hide the sphere. And there is the front part of your crown. Next we want to create that ring on the bottom part of the crown so it fits properly on the doll's head. Let's hit top. And we want to grab under Sketch our center point arc. We're choosing the bottom plane. Let's pan over a little bit. It says start at the center point. So the center point is the origin. And what's the first point? The first point, we click here, we spin it around this way, all the way around to here. And we want to leave a gap there because it just makes it easier to put it on the doll's head. So we're going to grab the center point arc again, click the center, go to 50, go up one more and go to the outside of that first arc. Hit enter. You see the second arc that I drew? It links to the crown. So they will be joined later. But we need to turn the inside of this into a beige color to link it all together. So let's grab our line tool again and link them up using those white dots. And I did it correctly because the inside turned beige color. I hit enter and I can stop the sketch. Let's hit the home key to give it a better view. Now I'm going to highlight the inside, extrude, and this time I'm just going to use the profile plane. Pull it up 5. We're not going to use cut, we're going to use join. So it joins the front part of the crown, and hit OK. As you can see, the bottom is joined, and that's how you make a very simple crown.
Okay, we're back. Okay, so if you saw the video, you should have seen that there are 4 arcs. There are 4 arcs.
4 arcs in just that? Show me.
Okay, so there's one arc on this side, on the left side of the crown. There's one on this side. These are arcs. And then for this, it looks like one arc, but actually there's the inside arc and the outside arc. 4 arcs. Now, next question. Should we decorate this crown?
Yeah!
Okay, so what should we do to decorate this crown?
I think maybe we should put the star up here and put a heart here, and then an exclamation mark there.
Whoa, that's a lot of decoration for this little crown. Okay, we'll try to do it, and then we'll show the people how to do it. And until that time, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give us a like.
Bye!